Hi, my name is Aubrey and I'm going to show you step by step how to make my sister's chocolate peanut butter cups. This is a super simple recipe that you can make for family and friends. You don't even need to use the oven. Here we go. Microwave your peanut butter for 30 seconds. Next, crush up your graham crackers in a plastic bag. Add your graham cracker crumbs to your peanut butter. Your powdered sugar, milk, and vanilla. Divide your peanut butter mixture into any size you want on a cookie sheet lined with parchment paper. Put your chocolate chips and coconut oil into the microwave until melted. Now top your pan until the chocolate's smooth. Now freeze until solid. Now flip them over and cover them with chocolate on the bottom. Now put them back in the freezer until hardened. Now trim the edges off. And now, enjoy!